Ever send a voice note on WhatsApp and wish it could disappear after being heard once? Well, WhatsApp now has a view once voice note feature, and in under 2 minutes, I'll show you how to use it like a pro. First of all, a view once voice note is a message your friend can only listen to one time. After they close it, it's gone and forever, just like disappearing photos. How to send a view once voice note. So I'll be demonstrating using my two accounts. I have a business account and my normal WhatsApp account. So you go to my normal WhatsApp account. How to set your view once voice note. When you're on WhatsApp, open a conversation you want to use. When you're in the conversation, you see this circular voice microphone icon. So when you tap on it and hold during a recording, you'll see this part 1. The icon appears. So you click on it. After I've clicked on it, it's I've activated your view once message. Send it. So you send the message. So this way the message now is sent. So if I go to the second WhatsApp, you'll see one voice note received. But guess what? It's a view once. So when I listen to it for the first time, the moment I open it, it will be already viewed. At the moment it's open, the message disappears. That's what you mean by view once. And this is best for private messages like passwords, personal updates, or anything you don't want forwarded or saved. Remember, just like view once photos, people can still screen record or record externally. So only use it with people you trust. So that's WhatsApp new view once voice note feature. Record, tap on the icon and send your disappearing messages instantly. If this helped you, hit like so more people can find it, and subscribe because I've gotten more quick WhatsApp tricks coming your way. See you in the next one.